will be started now. Okay. So this basically you should write in a such a way the condition. Now this is what my if else do. Suppose you want to find out what is the odd number, even number. So you can write the condition over here. Suppose I want to write the check the number whether a user given number is what I can say even or odd. Okay. I am copying the same statement, only I am changing x and y. Okay. Now, if अबे even का condition, what is the condition if number is what? Even का condition क्या होता है?
Divisible by 2.
Correct. Print the given number is even.
No, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए ना कि x remainder 2 equals to 0.
Oh, sorry. Thank you so much. Equals to 0 आना चाहिए. Okay. Thank you. Given number x, comma. Okay. तो वो नंबर मुझे वहां पे चाहिए तो आई कैन प्रिंटेड लाइक दिस. फिर देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. अदरवाइज इट शुड बी ऑड नंबर. The given number is odd number, comma y. Okay. So this way I have written. Let us see 8 number. Oh, why he is asking? Sorry, I have to make it comment as a hash because we required only one number. So I will run it again. Okay. This means this is running. So जब भी ऐसा sign is in Jupyter Notebook, it should be the program get runs. Okay. So sorry. The program X ही आना है number, not Y. Why it should be like that? Stop करते हैं. What happened? Run हो रहा है. Okay. So this way, wait. Stop. अब भी होगा. I will directly run this program. Suppose 8. So the given number 8 is a even number. Suppose I will run it again. 5 number. The number is odd number basically. Okay. So this way you can write the if else loop, or if you want to write the multiple condition whether number is positive, negative. So that is else if you can write in a such a way. Okay. Then we can having the while loop जो मैंने आपको बताया था. Suppose I want to print my one is I is initialized to 1. Suppose I want to print the basically 3 means if my it should be I is equal to 3 and it should be break until and unless it should be get 1 added. So condition will be the number is always less than or equal to uh, uh, I is always less than or equal to 6, but if it should be equal to 3, it should be the break. So that's why it should be get printed. Then again, it should be the break statement. We are breaking that statement. Here we can having continue. अगर मुझे 6 तक जाना है देन आई विल बी कंटिन्यू, 3 के आगे भी नहीं रहेगा तो इट शुड बी कंटिन्यू टू स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस इज व्हाट ब्रेक वी शुड राइट एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी शुड राइट द कंटिन्यू. This is what the for loop basically. For loop you can use for list, tuple as well as dictionary. Okay. So this is what the just simple list, apple, banana, cherry. You can take any list for example. So I want to just fruit for x in a fruit. मतलब x जो है उसमें कितने सारे fruits जो है that should be the list name. So for and in is the syntax for loop in Python. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू प्रिंट इन अ रेंज. बेसिकली रेंज फंक्शन जब हम फॉर में यूज करते हैं इट विल बी टेकिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 6, basically 0 to 5. So it will be taking that range. Basically you can mention from 2 to 6, 1 to 6 to 20 to 30. Suppose I want a particular range, so I can write it that range also. Now here I want only 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. So this will be always -1 basically. So 2 to 6 you can write it, or otherwise you can write the 3 parameter, pass the 3 parameters also. Means 2 you're basically we can having so, addition, this is what the increment, and up to 30 ending limit, start, stop and incrementing limit जो होता है that we can having this particularly you can write in this for loop. So for loop 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 ऐसे लिखा जा सकता है according to your requirement. Also you can having the double means looping concept. जब हम 2 dimensional array, 3 dimensional array अगर हमें लेना है without using numpy और दो लिस्ट को कंपेयर करना है, दो डिक्शनरी को बनाना है, at that time we should take this x and y. Okay, so this is what the adjective and this is what the things which we are having. Apple is a red, banana is red. So this way just for example I'm writing. So x and y we are taken as adjective and fruits means 2 lists and we are printing both the list. Okay. Now next is your pass statement जो बताया था. तो pass कैसे वर्क होता है आप देखो. क्यों नहीं रन हुआ ये. So it will be maybe I have not given condition, so that's why it cannot be run pass. But I already do when we are have to pass the interrupt that thing at that time we should write this pass. Next is your function. जो हमने function लिखा है. So this is what basically here. So this is what my function program. Okay. Now this is what the one way of defining function. This is what definition define function. My underscore function colon print hello from function. Just the simple word I am taking. कोई ज़्यादा ये नहीं लिया है. But let us check whether it should be running. Just call हुआ but function को object create ही नहीं किया. हमने function को call नहीं किया. ये मतलब क्या होगा? This part is nothing but my function declaration. Okay, this is what we have to just function declared here. Okay, so I'm writing comment and this is what the making a function call. जब तक आप function call नहीं करते हो until and unless it will not get called. So that's why this function call, and in this function you can pass the argument, or sometimes you should write directly into the function, or you should return the value. There are both the possible ways we can possible in case of your functions basically. So this what whenever this my function get first call is this my function call आ गया तो that function call goes to this definition and it will be look into that कि ये function के अंदर क्या लिखा है तो hello from a function. This is what the function working. Next we have seen, suppose I want to pass the argument. So I can pass any number of argument to this particular function. Suppose this is what I have written the argument over this. So whenever I call the my function, जब भी initialize होगा, जब भी function call जाएगा, तो it will go this call and it will be check f name क्या है तो mac है and what we are going to f name whatever the references we are passing that we are going to be just replaced with this name. Okay, so this is what just printed mac references, or this not necessary basically ये जरूरत नहीं है, but we can having the same way we can run it. So we just passing the value it will be. So that reference will be basically, so we can print this. This way we can pass the string also. Suppose I want to print the function I am proud of which basically country. So that basically we can have I am from and what country I want. The country is equal to Norway, the country is equal to Sweden, India, Brazil. Means it depends on you. You can write Norway here also and Norway here also. So you can just rub Norway here, write only country, and you can write Norway here also. Okay, so this way also you can work. But remember, every time function should be end with your colon. Okay, now this is what my function would. So that will be with the help of function with your for loop we can write, and we can passing the list basically, that is apple, banana, cherry. So this function fruits gets called here, and that fruits and food will be get passing the argument. So fruits का call पहले यहाँ पे जाएगा, and then this is the list, and this will be passed to this. Basically we can having a particularly my function, and this should be the food, means वो उसके range में print होगा. Firstly basically whenever you get call, this call is getting to be done. Okay, so this way you can write the apple. Then this is what the print when we can having the pass string to this particularly function. This is what when we are passing the string to the function जो हमने देखा है, that will be the same thing. This what we are passing the string directly. Basically हमने वहाँ पे string के element just we are printing. यहाँ पे we can directly pass the string into the function, and then we can print that particularly list, or we can inside the function or outside the function. Basically this is what the basically inside the function जो है 1 2 3, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द अपेंड किया है इसके इसमें हमने ये 10 23 को हमने अपेंड किया है 1 2 3 के लिस्ट में. मतलब मेन लिस्ट इज माय बेसिकली 10 23, एंड देन वी कैन हैविंग द आउटसाइड लिस्ट. वी कैन अपेंड जो 1 2 3 है वो अपेंड हो गया है 10 23 के लिस्ट में. मीन्स वी कैन अपेंड वन लिस्ट इनसाइड द अदर लिस्ट ऑल्सो. then this is what the just simple एक प्रोग्राम है definition high, and this is what when we are passing the 2 3 multiple value, it will just printing that value. When we are having here, only the thing is what here written, we can return the value. We are not directly printing there, or we are calling, we can having this the return function, means it will be returning value to that particular element, and then it's get printed. Okay, so this way the different way where we can write the function where we can pass the values, and we can return the values. Okay, so the pass by value, this is what passing the values basically. This is what passing the value. This is passing the references also, means which reference would be stored at which reference. So that will be the call by value and call by reference. These are the two different things, but this is we are only passing the values to the function. So this all about your functions, your looping, branching basically, means it should be we can having for x y j, for x and y for y. So this will be basically for looping and branching we can having. Else if else loop है, आपका while loop है, for loop है, as well as your basically we can having your functions of function of your बेसिकली प्रोग्राम. और ये फंक्शन आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी आर राइटिंग योर डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन एंड हैंडलिंग विद डेटा सेट्स, pandas लाइब्रेरी, जब हमको डेटा हैंडल करना है at that time में basically sometimes we require this kind of a function writing. So function is the part you should be understood very much. और आपको एक बार लिखने आ गया तो then it will be very easy. You can easily write whenever we have to fill up the missing value. We have to track the particular column. We have to retrieve some data. So fill the missing value with the something other values. So that will be basically we can use the function program. Okay. So I will upload this. आपको क्या करना है ये तो आप करके देखो, but you just try out your own things. ये तो मैंने आपको दिखाने के लिए किया है. Like I have taken the odd even number. You can check whether the number given, enter the number, but whatever the number given, it should be positive number or negative number. Means you can try out that also. Then greater, smaller, it will be very easy. But your thing will be you should try it in a different way. अभी यहाँ में मैंने 6 तक print किया है. You just try to print out a modification ऑड इवन करके आप व्हाइल लूप में भी डाल सकते हो ना। व्हाइल लूप यूज करके यू जस्ट परफॉर्म द फैक्टोरियल प्रोग्राम। रिकर्जन का जो प्रोग्राम है वो आप मुझे फंक्शन में करके दिखाओगे, द एडिशनल टास्क अदर देन दिस, ये तो आप फटाक से कर लोगे, ये तो आप करो, बट एट द एंड जब आप मुझे ये दिखाओगे तो आपको मुझे फैक्टोरियल का एक प्रोग्राम दिखाना है और आपको एक नंबर लेना है और आपको वो चेक करना है वेदर दिस नंबर इज पॉजिटिव निगेटिव। ओके, एंड द थर्ड प्रोग्राम यू शुड टेक वन लिस्ट जिसमें आपको स्टूडेंट के नाम, रोल नंबर लिस्ट लेके यू जस्ट हैव टू परफॉर्म द लिस्ट ऑपरेशंस ऑन दैट। ओके, सो आई विल गिव यू दैट। तो आपको ये ही प्रोग्राम में आपको नीचे जाके ये 3 प्रोग्राम मुझे एडिशनल प्रोग्राम मुझे आज के प्रैक्टिकल में करके दिखाने हैं। फर्स्ट इज योर फैक्टोरियल। हाँ
बताओ बताओ, मैं ये पूछ रहा था।
हाँ वही, फर्स्ट इज योर फैक्टोरियल, सेकंड इज वेदर द नंबर इज, जो आप इफ एल्स यूज करके वेदर द नंबर इज पॉजिटिव नंबर और निगेटिव नंबर आपको यूजर से इनपुट लेना है, और वो कैसे लेना है ये भी मैंने बताया है। इवन फैक्टोरियल में भी you should take the only user input, and third program is to creation of list to store the student record basically। okay, understood? ये 3 प्रोग्राम आपको खुद से करने हैं प्रैक्टिकल में। ओके, understood? Understood or
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will share this Python file on your classroom. Just go and check it within 5 minutes and start open your editors. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
कुछ डाउट है तो जरूर पूछ सकते हैं, नो इश्यू। Okay, start performing everyone. I am stop the recording because all things are explained.